Hey everyone, if you want to upload images to remove.bg in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to quickly upload your images and start removing backgrounds in seconds. Uploading your image properly ensures faster processing, better background removal results, and fewer errors. Start by opening the remove.bg website in your browser. On the home page, locate the Upload Image button in the center of the screen. Click the Upload button and select an image from your device, or drag and drop it into the upload area. Once uploaded, remove.bg will automatically start processing your image and removing the background. For best results, make sure your image is clear, well-lit, and high resolution. Remove.bg supports common image formats like JPG and PNG. If your image doesn't upload, try refreshing the page, checking your internet connection, or using a different browser. You can also upload images from your mobile device using the browser or app. For the best results, always upload images with clear subjects and minimal background noise. A common mistake is uploading blurry or heavily compressed images, which can reduce accuracy. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to upload images to remove.bg in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.